Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a Mecury Disston, a model KB7 B. This one was made in 1948. Let me get the numbers there for you. It's in really clean shape. Here's some of the tags on it. Very clean, very readable. And over here, I can't believe how good this one is. And it's just in excellent shape. It was hanging and on display for years, and I got it down and it fired right up. Started right up. It's in need of a good cleaning, and you'll have a very nice saw. Some of the teeth, now I use this in a cutting competition, and it's missing some of the teeth, so if you're going to do much cutting with it, you'll have to get a chain for it. But just for show, it's in very good shape. It's got the original muffler on it, which it's in fair shape, the muffler is. Got that hard to find recoil starter. And just a very nice saw. There's what the flywheel looks like. Yeah, we'll start this thing up.